you very much indeed. So as we know, President Madagascar has headed to the...
Well, that was the BBC from Madagascar, and the signal seems to have dropped away. It was coming in very nicely. Okay, it looks like it might be coming back. We've got some signals and noise, so there's a carrier. Anyway, it sounds like they must have had some sort of technical difficulties there. I don't know if lowering it. I'm generally not a huge fan of closing down the bandwidth because I find that at the high frequencies I find it difficult to understand. You can use the high cut a bit.
Your term expected that deal with the moving process. However, the president wants to continue to express
That's pretty clear and easy to understand. All right. Well, good night again.